Hello everyone, this is Miss Beth from the Door County Library. These are our virtual visits, and today we are going to be visiting B&B Farm. Now, B&B Farm is out in Jacksonport on County Highway V. So they're kind of up north a little bit, kind of close to some of the other places that we've been. They are a working dairy farm, so no tours for this one. This is the only tour you're going to get. This is a very traditional dairy farm. Lots of cows being milked in the usual sort of way, not by hand, but with those little machines that go onto the udders. So you're going to get a chance to see a little bit about what that farm looks like. So I saw the videos. I thought it was really fascinating. They have lots and lots of lovely cows there, and like I said, it is a working dairy farm. So no visits to that farm, but you'll get a chance to see behind the scenes with them. Have a wonderful time.
So we are here at B&B Farm in Jacksonport, and we'll take a look at all of their calves that they have, which is quite a lot. So these guys are waiting to be fed because it's about dinner time. And then they have calves that go all the way down here. Hi, bud. And if you can see, they all have a tag on their ears so that they know how many cows they have. We got a couple of them coming to say hi. They're all different colors: brown, black, white. Hi, buddy. So here they keep all the younger calves. They have all their little own huts. And as you can see, that goes for quite a while. And they need to be kept like this so they stay safe. And if you can see, they put the bottles right in a little holder. And they just help themselves to food. How much milk a day do they get?
They get a bottle in the morning and then a bottle at night.
All right.
Well, they get pellets and or grain and water throughout the day.
So here at B&B Farms, they have over 500 heads of cattle. That's with the babies and the steers and everything. Yeah, so lots and lots of cows to be milked and fed. And here come the cows. We're gonna come into the barn to get milked. I was expecting like a little bit of a stampede.
Those aren't real fast all the time. Some of them will, some of them plod along.
And they know where to go. Oop, oop, yeah.
are really full.
So it's like they need to get milked. Yeah.
It's season.
Oh. And they have the milk machines all ready to go. So they'll file in here and get milked. And they'll just come in and find a spot and go into it? Or they have to, oh. It's like picking the right grocery line. Don't worry, for most of my video I'm going to take off the sound and put music in the background.
Thank you.
That's why I told
Trying not to say anything.
Beth from the library, because we're sharing videos for their summer programming, and I said, Beth, just so you know, take off all my voice, because I'm sitting there talking to all the animals stupidly.
So Tony counts them as they're coming through the door.
Oh, to make sure he knows how many
And
are.
then he'll shut the gate and put them in a holding area and
Yeah.
move stuff over here those guys will have to go in.
Hi, babies. And they're waiting to get milk. Hi, Bobby.